guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have my order had come in from Erica, who's Scrap Diva Designs, and also scrapdiva.29 on Instagram and YouTube. Guys, if you don't know, go check her out. She has some new dye releases. Sorry, she's pulling the garbage closer. So I just got it in and I want to get looking at it. Oh, look it. Look. Oh, she put a little note. Oh, thank you, Erica. Yes. Have a great weekend, girlfriend. Anywho, I picked up the button die set. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because there's different sizes. So you get this medium and small set. So you have hearts, circles with 2 holes in them. So 2 sizes, and then 2 sizes of the, not circles, buttons with 4 holes. So they're all buttons. You got the hearts, you got these ones, and then this one right here. That is going to be so cute. You could use it in your shaker mixes, and you could also use them as part of embellishments. So I did pick up the confetti dies. Look at that. The Christmas trees, the snowflakes. I'm so excited. The mittens. Oh my gosh. The Santa hats. Oh my gosh. Yes. Thank you, Erica. Thank you. And so here are her Christmas words. I think these are number 2. It has wishes, kisses, holiday cheer. This one's peppermint. I'm excited for that one. And this one's everything, and Christmas, winter, and treats. So wow, bunch of words, and they all come with the shadow, the background. Oh my god, I gotta put all my Christmas sentiment words together so I can see what I have from Erica's shop, because I do have some other sentiments from her from previous year. I also picked up the large peppermint. Oh my god, I saw these guys when she posted new release dies. I went immediately to her shop. So you get the large one and you get the little one. Guys, this is going to be so much fun to play with. You got the big circle center cut here. You could turn this into a shaker. You could turn into layering pieces. So much fun. And then here's the layering piece again. Look at that, the stitching details. Oh my gosh. And then here's the layering piece for the smaller die. So you get, oh my goodness, so many. Love it, Erica. This is so awesome. Awesome sauce. Put these over here so we could see them all. And then the next one I picked up was the Gingerbread Memory Decks card. You got a layering piece, and the layering piece has the little itty bitty gingerbread. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And then you have a shirt detail for the gingerbread. You also get the squiggly lines, the faces, extra squiggly lines. You also get a collar detail here. Look at the heart buttons. I'm wondering if they're the same size. No, they're actually smaller. So this one is the same size here, but this is even smaller than that one. So wow, guys, you get a great combination of sizes. And for your boy, oh, here you got a dress detail here. You got a bow tie. You got a little nose, I think. And then a flower. How cute. And there's your memory decks base right there. And there's your layering pieces. This is going to be fun. Fun, fun, fun. Yes, I'm going to have some fun. I'm going to have some fun. Here's another word die set, but there's no shadowing pieces. It's just that special font with the little curly Q here. This one, I think it says Jolly. And this one says Christmas, Santa, Mary? No, what is that word? Yeah, Mary. It goes like this, Mary. And then this one is Believe. And this one is I don't know. Holly. 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 Super cute. Oh my gosh. The stash is building. Christmas ornament. Yes. Memory decks card. So you could make this just as a simple ornament, as a shaker, or you could use it to frame and put your children's pictures in there. You also get candy canes left and right facing. Another layering piece. You could use that to cut your acetate to make the shaker part. This one says Jolly. You have the ornament layering piece there. And then here's the Memory Decks base. So 2 Memory Decks cards for Christmas from her release this year. How awesome is that? Oh my gosh. So the last thing I picked up was the Advent Calendar houses. And these are 3 different styles, I think. No, 3 different sizes. Yes. So this one has 3 windows. This one has 2. And then this one has 1. And then here are your layering pieces. You also get the layering square with the stitching detail here. And then the box itself. So you would cut this piece out right here 2 times. Look at that. All of these gorgeous pieces. And here you go is the medium, and it has the 4 windows. Same thing here. You just cut this out twice. Then you have the layering piece here with the stitching detail. And then you have the window pieces here. How exciting! Oh my gosh. Advent calendar. So she gave you a square detail here. But I was hoping it was a rectangle detail. This part right here. Are they the same? I guess the windows are all the same size. But for the larger one, maybe you don't need, you could just make your own layering pieces there for this piece. But I don't, yeah, because this doesn't go here either. So the layering piece would be for, so the bottom? Maybe the bottom to create the box, the bottom part. I would have to do some research, but yes, I am excited. I want to play. Yes. There, let me see. Let me get my ruler. So the smallest box would measure about 3 3/4 inches tall, and the width would be 2 3/4 inches wide at the for the box, because this is the closure part here. This is the hanging tag there. And then these are the bottoms that fold. Those are the folding parts to create your box. And you know, so that's the small one. This is the large. The largest house would be, no, it will be 5 7/8. So 5 7/8. And I believe the width is the same. Yeah, 2 3/4 or 2 5/8. 2 5/8. Is that what that one is? 2? Yeah, no, this one is a different size. So it's 2 3/4. This one is a different size. This one is 2 5/8. Fun, fun, fun. I'm doing math. And this one is 2 5/8 also. That's weird. So this one is how tall? Let's see. 4 3/4. So this height is 4 3/4. This height is 5 7/8. So they're all different sizes, guys, you know, because small, medium, and large, duh. And this one is 3 3/4. Yep. Alrighty. This is going to be so much fun to play with. I'm going to have to create a calendar for myself as to what dies I'm going to play with on what days. Because, guys, I just hauled her Halloween dies. and I have yet to play with them. I am running out of days, so hang in there with me. I'm going to get through this, and we're going to see some examples as to what all of this is going to look like. So thank you all for joining me. Erica, thank you so much, my friend, for sending this so quickly. I am super excited to get into all of these magical dies, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.